Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Discord account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your device or visit the Discord website and log into your account. Step 2. Access user settings. Click on the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen next to your username. This will take you to the user settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to security. In the user settings menu, find and click on the privacy and safety tab on the left sidebar. Scroll down to find the two-factor authentication section. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Click on the Enable two-factor authentication button. You will be prompted to enter your password to confirm the action. Step 5. Set up authentication method. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your preferred authentication method, either through an authentication app or SMS. Make sure to save any backup codes provided for future access. Now you have successfully enabled two-factor authentication on your Discord account, enhancing its security. Remember to keep your authentication method secure and updated if you change devices.